So here we have our servo, our lock operated by the MSP 432. So we have our keypad here. Our LCD is already displaying locked enter key and waiting for a passcode. And here our servo is already in the locked position. So now we're going to try out some passwords, entering those in. So I'm going to try some wrong passwords first. The correct password is 9084. So try that. And it takes in the wrong password, displays all 4 characters, and then deletes it, and goes back to the normal screen. The correct password, 9084, turns the servo, unlocks the door, and if you press asterisk, then it closes the door again, and then you have to press asterisk again to reset, and it starts over the program from the beginning. If you type in a code and you typed it in wrong, or typed in the wrong password, then you can press asterisk to reset the password entering program. And you can do that at any point, regardless of whether the first pins put in were correct or not. Here's a few. And you can continue doing this as many times as you'd like, including opening it and closing it again.